Hi guys, Fonzie here from GT Performance, showing you today what we can do for your Mustang. As we can see, the new FN Mustangs are making a lot of power with the Gen 3 Coyote. This is the FM, this is the earlier one born into Australia. For all you guys, don't worry about that. What we've got for you can tackle any FM on the market. So basically what we've done is we've got this FM and we've brought it up to FN specs. Not with the direct injection, but what we have done is put the manifold on. So that's a 2018 manifold, which is far superior for making high-end horsepower. We've matched it with an InGen intake, and the real secret to the last bit of the recipe is our Rex headers, double stepped, only ones on the market, most powerful headers for your Mustang, especially on the Australian market, and at a really good price. So what we'll do is we'll give this a run up and show you what we can do. This one is a manual, so we'll show slightly higher horsepower from the wheels than the automatic transmission. They're pretty close in these ones. We're testing in 5th gear. For you guys that don't know, 5th gear is 1-to-1 in the Mustang transmission. So we'll give it a run on the dyno and we'll see what numbers we come up with. Okay guys, what you can see there is a very impressive result. That's 350 rear wheel kilowatts. That's not at the engine, that's on a roller dyno. So that is not at the hubs, that is through the tyres and everything else. Close the door, we can see it is on a roller hub. So yeah, basically what you'll see is we've set the AFRs, or I call them lambdas, where we need. You can see the power that we've got and we've achieved. So really good results. If you guys have got one of these cars, we suggest that the recipe is InGen intake at the moment is commercially available. We do a couple little mods, but as a package at the moment, we run the InGen, we run the Rex double step GT Performance headers, and that's a 2018 manifold. So we can tune them. If you buy the parts from us, we could probably even help you with some of the tuning calcs and what to do and how to make your earlier model Mustang run with that package. So as I said, if you want the power out of it, it's there. You can duplicate that. You can buy the parts from GT Performance or Australia Speed. Give us a call. Char will help you out. He knows all about these Mustangs. We've got a good dedicated team of Ford personnel here. So give us a call and we'll hope to tune your Mustang and get you taking on them GM cars. Thanks guys.